The if statement. Like most languages, C use the keyword if to implement the decision control instruction. The general form of if statement looks like this. So this is general form of if statement. If in bracket this condition is true, then execute this statement. That means after if uh, the checking uh, condition checking or condition verifying is occurring. That means after writing if keyword, we are writing that if this condition is true, then we are executing that statement. The keyword if tells the compiler that what follows is a decision control instruction. So the keyword if is telling the compiler that what follows is a decision control instruction. And that means after if the decision control instruction will be executed. So that the keyword if is telling the compiler that the condition following the keyword if is always enclosed within a pair of parentheses. So the condition following the keyword if is always enclosed within a pair of parentheses. That means pair of the condition which is following if is enclosed within these brackets. If the condition whatever it is true, then the statement is executed. So if the condition if it is true, then the statement is executed. If the condition is not true, then the statement is not executed. Instead the program skips past it. That means if condition is not true, then statement is not executed. If it is true, then it is executed. So in first column this is expression, and in second column is true if. That means this expression is true if. So it is divided between two columns. First is x is equal to y. Then this expression is true if x is equal to y. That means for writing x is equal to y, we have to write x is equal to y. Now x exclamatory mark is equal to y. That means x is not equal to y. So that exclamatory mark is an not operator. Now x is less than y. That means it stands for x is less than y. Now x is greater than y. So this stands for x is greater than y. Now x is greater than or equal to x is less than or equal to y. It stands for x is less than or equal to y. Now x is greater than or equal to y. This stands for x is greater than or equal to y. The relational operator should be familiar to you, except for equality operator is equal to and the inequality operator not is equal to. So the relational operator should be familiar to you. That means it is used in many mathematical calculations, that is x is less than y, x is greater than y. It is used in many mathematical calculations. So the relational operators should be familiar to you, except for the equality operator, that is equal to. So is equal to and inequality operator, that is not is equal to, are not familiar to us because they are not used in normal mathematics. Now note that is equal to is used for assignment, whereas is equal to is used for the comparison of two quantities. So is equal to is used for assignment. That means it is used for defining something. Is equal to is used for defining something, and 2 times is equal to is used for comparison of two quantities.